Are Airbnbs really ruining our Scottsdale neighborhoods? Blair Ball with the Ball and Real Estate Team, and today I want to talk about Airbnbs and my opinion of what they're really doing on our Scottsdale neighborhoods. First thing, they help our economy. I get it. So many people are tired of the visitors coming in and out of these homes, condos, whatever, and it's distracting and there's party homes, blah, 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 blah. Who cares? They help our economy here in Scottsdale. Let me tell you this, the amount of people that visit Scottsdale that then pump money into our economy is incredible. And without that, I don't know exactly where we would be. We still probably would figure out a way to get by, but with all the visitors that we have coming here to Scottsdale and staying in these homes, which are awesome, giving people a reason to come back, that's exactly what we want. We want them here. We want them improving our economy. We want them to visit. We want them to spend money. That's what they do. That's what we love, and it's awesome. So this thing about ruining our neighborhoods, come on, get over it. Number two, in the past, people would just, if they wanted to visit somewhere, they would find a hotel online and then they would book a stay. Sometimes limited options, sometimes not. As someone whose father used to be in the hotel business, I remember hotels were basically our only options to stay at. There weren't houses that were available. Now there are. With Airbnbs, Verbos, or VRBOs, however you want to pronounce it, this is awesome. It gives people options. We're in a society where people like options, and the more options they have, the more likely they are to visit, and we want them visiting. Now, do we want the party homes that are out there? Absolutely not. None of us do. But let me tell you what, if there's a long-term renter in a home anyway, there's probably a chance they could have a party home. So I don't really see the big deal. I think this is beneficial to the consumer. Me as someone who likes to travel with my family, I can't or don't want to stay in hotels all the time. I want to stay in a house. I want to make it feel like home. This is part of it. It helps. Stop worrying about all these people ruining our neighborhoods. It's not worth it. Number three. So here's the thing, I get it. There's some homes that aren't well taken care of, I get it. But that happens with long-term rentals too. That's just part of not having someone live there. But let me tell you what, not all homeowners take care of their homes the greatest either. I could make a very valid argument, and I will, which is what I'm doing right now, that these Airbnb owners, they take care of these homes usually better than most other owners, because the only way they make money is by people visiting, seeing their awesome pictures, and then coming back to the home. That's exactly what they do. That's how they make money. And if their only goal with the house is to make money and provide a good living situation for someone, then they're going to take really good care. Now, there still are the party homes, but there's still people living in their homes that don't take care of them. There's weeds, there's cars on blocks. It's horrible, right? Horrible's a little bit dramatic, but who cares? These Airbnb owners, they take care of these homes usually very nicely, and they want them showing great with curb appeal, inside, outside, you name it. So I don't see a problem with it. I think Airbnbs are awesome in Scottsdale. They're not ruining our neighborhoods. There's always the exceptions, but we have exceptions with everything. So in my opinion, Airbnbs are great. I strongly encourage them. If you're looking for an Airbnb to rent, visit Airbnb.com. If you're looking to buy a property and make it an Airbnb, reach out to me. I can help. I'd be honored to help. I've helped other investors. They're making a bunch of money. Reach out, 480-233-6433. Thanks for watching. I look forward to helping you with your Airbnb, and we'll see you on the next video.